Welcome to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to effortlessly crop an image into any shape using Google Slides. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Slides presentation and make sure your image is placed on the slide. If you need to add one, simply go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and upload your preferred file. Once your image is exactly where you want it, click on it once to select it. You will know it is selected when you see a blue border outlining the picture. Next, bring your attention to the top toolbar. Look for the standard crop image icon. Right next to it, you will notice a small downward pointing arrow. This is the Mask Image tool. Go ahead and click on that small arrow. A drop-down menu will appear revealing 4 categories: shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. Hover your mouse over shapes to see the full list of available options. You can pick a circle, a rounded rectangle, a star, or whatever best fits your presentation's design. Simply click on the shape of your choice. Instantly, your image will be cropped to perfectly match that outline. If you need to adjust how the original picture is positioned inside the new shape, just double-click the image. You can now drag or resize the picture inside the frame. Click anywhere outside the image when you are done, and that is all there is to it. A simple and effective way to elevate the look of your presentations. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.